Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a brief update on the rec pond or natural swimming pond project. Just to show you guys, we've actually had a pond pump donated to the project, which is brilliant. So I've just plugged it in, had to put on a new head on the cable here, but just running a wet test and drawing it out for the minute does seem to be working fairly well. I'm not sure exactly what literage or wattage, liters per gallon this is, but we're going to take a look and get it in there. Alright guys, so we've got the pump in now. You can just see here, flow is a little better than the previous pump, but if I'm honest, it's not as strong as I'd wanted. So free pump, you know, for what it is for right now, gives us a little bit more flow. You can just see over here, I come across. So down in here you can just see, guys, that's the new pump. It's got the gate over it really to kind of pick up any debris, you know, keep that going. Just using a bit of garden hose here, coming into the top. Of course, going to bury this all in, but for now, guys, once again, it does appear to be giving us a reasonable amount of flow. Again, I'm going to kind of tidy up this stream in here and kind of tighten it so that it looks a little bit more agitated as the water moves down it. Just getting the flow over the rock here. You can just see. Now let's just come around to the front just so you can see this falls, and this is really where I want to boost the flow. It is coming out over the bottom here. And you can just see here, guys, we've got a reasonable amount of flow, but not quite, you know, what I'm after. A little bit more would be better over that. So, of course, I'm going to get a much stronger pump, really get this water moving off the back here. But once again, for now, guys, gives us a little bit more of an idea as to what we're working with. You know, I think with this one, again, I'm going to wet test this pump, really just to kind of see, you know, how it runs. Again, being a free pump, just going to make sure it is properly working before we kind of get it into its place. Again, what I think I'm going to use this pump for is to perhaps pump water from this big pond into this one, so we get some flow back across underneath that little bridge there. Again, really just kind of keeping some water movement in the pond here. You can see it is starting to kind of move this water around a little bit, and that little intake bay is kind of pulling stuff over to that side. So for the moment, you know, fairly happy with it. Again, just kind of a brief update on this one today, guys. Gonna keep working on through the winter, but with that said, of course, if you have not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Follow along with the projects. Of course, a like and share always helps the channel to grow. But with that said, we'll see you on the next one.